Creating automated client intake forms with logic is a game changer for streamlining your business processes. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to build these forms to automate your workflow and save you time, all using software that makes it easy to set up. The first step is choosing the right platform. While there are many out there, we'll be using a powerful software that makes it easy to design forms with built-in logic. I've tested a bunch of the most popular tools, but this software has a unique edge, and I've got a special offer for you. You'll find an exclusive free trial in the description below, only for my viewers. So stick around if you want to follow along with me. Now, let's dive into the core of automated client intake forms with logic. The first thing you'll want to do is create a new form. This is where you'll start adding the fields that you need to capture information from your clients. Typical fields include name, email, and phone number, but the real magic happens when you add conditional logic. This logic lets you personalize the form flow based on the answers your clients give. For example, if someone selects yes to a question like "Do you need consultation?", you can have additional questions pop up, like their preferred consultation time. If they select no, those extra questions won't appear. This makes the form feel more tailored and saves the client time by skipping irrelevant questions. To set up this conditional logic, all you need to do is click on the field where you want to add logic. In most software, there's an option called Logic Jump or something similar. Here, you'll define the rules. For example, if the answer to question 1 is yes, show question 2. This simple setup dramatically improves user experience and accuracy of responses. Once your fields are ready and the logic is in place, it's time to test it. Preview the form, answer some questions, and make sure that the conditional logic behaves exactly how you want it to. This is crucial because you don't want any hiccups when your clients are filling out their forms. After testing, you can customize the appearance of your form. Make sure it aligns with your brand and looks professional. The software we're using today lets you easily adjust colors, fonts, and even add your logo. And then it's time to set up automation. Once a client submits their form, you can trigger automatic emails, integrate with your CRM, or even send them to a booking page based on their responses. For example, if they're interested in a consultation, an email with a calendar link can be sent immediately. This is where the magic of automation really kicks in, saving you time and making sure you never miss a follow-up. Let's quickly recap. First, create your form and add necessary fields. Then, set up conditional logic to customize the experience based on user responses. Test your form thoroughly before finalizing. Finally, integrate automation to make sure your workflow is seamless. The key takeaway here is that automated client intake forms with logic are a powerful way to increase efficiency and improve the client experience. By streamlining this process, you'll save time and gather more accurate data. And don't forget, if you want to follow along and start creating your own forms with logic, take advantage of the exclusive free trial I've linked in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.